Okay, so in this video we learn about how we can add and update set items. Now we know that sets are mutable, right? Means we can change we can do changes, add, update, right? However, since the sets are unordered, that means that the indexing has no meaning, right? Because you don't know the order how it which in which it will be storing the elements, right? And also it sets does not support the indexing or slicing, so that is not supported in this set. However, we can use add method. So I have, let's say, numbers. Let me create a set of numbers. Okay, so this is a set of numbers I have created, and let's see this numbers as well. So this is the numbers, right? So I can add, so add item to set. So we have numbers, we can use function called add, and I can, let's say, call, then I'll see numbers. See guys, it has added 45. Now it has kind of a in a ascending order. So let's try one more item and see. Let's try to add at, like, let's say 98. Now it is again sorted in ascending order. So this is how we can add. Now there is another method which I want to discuss, inbuilt method, which is update. Now what is the difference between update and add? Update can be used if you want to add, or you want to add items that belongs to different other collection types, like list, tuples, etc, right? So we can use that even for list. So let me create nums. Let's say I have nums which is 52, 26, 76, and let's say 66. Now if I want to add these nums into this nums, update this set numbers with that, I can use that. So I'll just use a function called update, and then I can use nums, right? Not nums. Okay, so let's see what happens with numbers. Okay, so it has updated the set with these values, right? So this is how we can update a set. So we'll see another example where how we can discard or remove an element from a set. For removing element from a set, right? So we have a function called discard. So let's say I want to discard this 66 value. So we can say numbers dot discard, and I want to do 66, and let's see numbers. So guys, you see this 66 is not there, right? So this is how we can add a number, we can update the set, and we can also discard. Now one last thing which I think we should know, whether this will support this or not. We'll see now. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so this is not supported in the set, so we cannot do that. So you have to either add or update. So if you want to do that, you can do a update. So if you want, I think the update should work. And then we can do that. Yep, it has worked. Okay, so that's all about this video. See you in another video.